Hi, my name is Klavs, Inspector Today, inspecting this Toyota RAV4 for you. It's a 2018 model. Obviously, as you know, it's an insurance write-off, and you are here as well. Let's just then go through the bodywork. Repairs are obviously visually done to acceptable standard. I have nothing to kind of moan too much about it. But the respray, this door, replacement of this door, quarter panel respray, and the roof respray, right? In regards to C-pillar, the arch area obviously has been crashed, and from here to here it's got a lot of filler used and inner structure damage. Obviously there's still like a tin can visual is left, and they're not repaired. Obviously they're not the repairs are not industry standard repairs, but it's somehow done to some sort of standard, livable, usable. Visually it looks okay, but obviously there is a lot of filler used, as I made you aware when you're here. And also rear clusters needs attention, as they have moisture ingress on all four of them. Rear boot lid has been resprayed, and this section had a dent, and it had a repair on this section that has been resprayed. But all visually looks acceptable. I don't have any complaints about insurance standard visual look. Vehicle generally looks good as well from this side. Going to wheels, alloys internally could do with the refurb. Tires are good, brakes are excellent, and there's a minimum of small scratches. Regards to interior as well, is neat and clean, and excellent for the insurance write-off. All the wear and tear, slow mileage, 36,000 miles. There's no any abnormal issues. It's got full, pretty much up to 22 up dealer service history, and it's been just serviced too at the dealership. There's no major issues found on a health check. So as all the electrical systems on the diagnostics are clean and I have no complaints. I'm gonna go now for the road test and see how it performs. Any drivability issues, I will put in a report for you. And thanks for using us.